Welcome back here to the AW in the USA in the year 2023. I'm here at the TiltFive booth and I've just tested for the first time the TiltFive gaming system here. It's a really nice approach of like doing not couch, but cooperative games with your friends at home. Like placing the mat on the top of your table and then play together with a lot of glasses you can buy and you can combine to play together PC games here. I've just made a demo and this is the demo you can see now.
It sits a little bit further away from their nose.
Okay, great.
Piece, so they can see it. I recommend taking that and going over the top of your head like this,
Yeah.
and then down the rest right
Can
here.
I still wear my
You
glasses?
should be able to. That's what
Okay.
the nose piece should help make it
Ah,
a little
okay.
more usable.
Okay, yes. Okay, I
This
can
is for
see
you.
something. Thank
Yes.
you.
So,
I can see the hologram here.
what we've got going on right here is this is a CAD viewer. So we've actually loaded in a 3D model file of our glasses.
Yeah.
You can take the wand and you see you have tracking on it. It's
Yeah.
kind of latching on to different pieces. You pull the trigger, you can start grabbing pieces
Ah, okay.
and pulling the whole glasses apart.
Okay, great. So what I've seen is here the TiltFive headset, and there's a 3D model, and I can just disassembly it. Okay, fine. Oh, yeah, it works great.
We have actually like a whole selection of controls down there in the bottom left, and it shows you the
Okay.
different options. Trigger lets you move things around.
Yeah.
The other buttons are the 1 and 2 button right here.
Oh,
One
okay.
lets you kind of pan the whole scene around, move it
Like
around.
the
for
world
yourself.
scale. Okay,
Yep.
great.
And then if you hold 1 and trigger at the same time, it lets you zoom too.
Okay, great. Yes, looks good. I mean,
Getting
Like-
right up in there.
yes, like the resolution is quite good, I think.
720p projectors.
Okay. I thought it would be higher, to be honest. It looks quite good. And yes, it just works. I mean, you have this like pad on your table, and yes, the anchor points are fixed. Everything's working.
We have a live reprojection system in the headset. That's it's taking frames from the game, and that's what's
Yeah.
keeping everything locked in place as you move your head.
Okay,
It
great.
takes an IMU and then glasses position, fuses it all together, and twists everything to make sure everything stays locked in place.
Okay, it looks funny to see in your face because you have
The
like
lights.
the lights.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's because we have projectors shining down on the lenses that then bounce down onto the board, and that's what.
Ah, they
creates
need
the
to
light
bar
field.
down on the board. Okay. Okay.
The board's made of a retroreflective material, meaning
Yeah.
it bounces all light cast on it back at you. And that's how we can kind of create this whole light field effect.
So do you need ambient light in order to use it?
This works in a completely dark room.
Completely dark room. Okay, great. So is there any game I can test?
Yeah, let me show you.
Okay, great. Yes, I'd like to test the game, of course, because this was just a demo.
So this one, we're going to be holding the wand sideways instead. We wanted
Ah,
to make,
okay.
this is one of our early demo games.
Yeah, and you
It's-
can purchase it on Steam, right?
This one is actually available for free on our labs. 'cause
Okay,
it's
great.
The demo scene. But
Okay.
there are a lot of games available on Steam right now. So this one, you're going to use the joystick to move around.
Yeah. Ah,
And then you can press the A, B, X, and Y to do different things.
okay, cool.
The X1, I think, is the attack button. We're on the same team, so we can't hit each other. But if we go further down the path this way, all the way that
Yeah.
way,
Okay, what I can see is here like a little, how's it called, this type of game? I forgot it.
it's a little, this one we kind of made inspired by Diablo. And,
Yes,
Action
yes,
RPG.
exactly.
Yeah.
It's like Diablo, the camera's on top, and yes, I can see the whole world here on the pad, and we're playing together. This is so nice. Like everything is three-dimensional. There's a little bit of aliasing, of course. Here we can see the not so high resolution, but it's not so bad. It's quite good.
You can be moving close too. You can move around.
Yes, I mean this is a key feature, because otherwise you can just play on the flat screen. But yes, you can go to every detail here as far as you want. And yes, this is very immersive. You just want to touch the tree here. There's a tree up to this height, but of course you cannot. Okay, that's a nice game. Maybe you will have Diablo 4 support. In the future.
I wish.
Okay, cool.
One of the things that we're really big on is kind of being able to collaborate and see the same scene. So when we're looking at this together, like, I know where your character is and you know where my character is.
Exactly.
We're able to work in the same scene, but we can also do things separate. This one is built so I can move off in a different space.
Okay, then it zooms
I'm
out.
playing all the way over here in an area you can't even see right now. You're back here on my screen.
Ah, it's rendered differently at your place. Okay, that's nice.
And then if I come back towards you, we'll kind of
Then
snap back
zooms
together,
in.
and now
Okay,
we're on the
great.
same scene again.
Okay, I really like it.
Wanna
Great.
see one more game?
Yes, please. But for this demo, that's enough. I will do the German video now.
Okay.
The demo was very nice. I mean, to be honest, the price is a little bit high to my opinion. But yes, when we just see that there's hardware and this pad and the glasses and the features you have with this TiltFive setup, then of course you have to pay, you have to spend money. It's not free, but you have to think about if this is worth it for you. The experience was very nice, but it depends, of course, like every time, how many developers will make games for it. But the Lego demo was very nice. I've did in the German video, and the Diablo one that you saw just here in the English video was very nice too. So I really love that they have the gaming approach, but we just saw that they have also like yes, business development things. You can have 3D models and so on, and you can collaborate there. So very nice. Thank you for watching this video here on the AWE, and see you in the next one.